Hey guys, it's Rachel again. Now we are on to look at the freebies and the list builders that we have for our summer collection. Oh, and the recipe content bundle. There is so much that we have to cover, so I just wanted for anybody who didn't see the first episode, we talked about the programs that we're having released, the summer detox, the restore your gut health, and the 12-month membership. What we're going to talk about are the freebies. 5 key signs of unresolved trauma. If you don't know, I was a coach in your exact same shoes. I had a thriving business for 5 years. And then the Done For You program started getting bigger, and I just needed to make a choice on which one I would put my energy in. And I put it into the Done For You programs, where I can help rock a ripple effect worldwide. So, what we're looking at are these freebies. When you're taking a look at them, ask yourself, what is my niche? How would I use this freebie? Where would I put this freebie? Freebies are a great way to get people in, to get a taste of your business and to solve a mini problem. So let's solve these key signs of unresolved trauma. This is a great lead in to our trauma course. Or if you're working and you want to teach trauma, and you don't have the trauma course, this is also a great freebie. That's the thing, that chronic illness for me, that was a biggie, that healing, that going to trauma therapy was essential because it made my chronic illness go away. I don't have that autoimmune knocking at my door on a daily basis like I used to. Then we have an opt-in page, thank you page, welcome email, everything that you would need to get this launched in a week. Plus you have the Canva template. Then let's move to 10 ways to master your mindset. This is perfect for any niche. I feel like mindset has to go with any niche. Beautiful cover. Look at that. Go back to your childhood. That's what summer is all about. Summer is my favorite time to list build. It's one of my favorite times to do workshops locally and online to get people into my ecosystem. You have this social media images right here. Aww. That's what social media should do. It should make you feel something. We have the Autoimmune Assessment Quiz. I think we know who this would be good for. Gives little about autoimmune, then it goes right into the quiz. We have our social media. Then we have top endocrine disruptors that are affecting your hormones. We know this would be for the hormone niche. And this would also be like, I get a lot of gut specialists who also talk about hormones. They want to be known as a gut specialist, but this would also be really great for the gut niche. Look at that. Such a great freebie. Then we have our list building bundles. 5 ways to calm your anxious brain. You get a guide and you get the PowerPoint. So this is great for any of you that are wanting to build that visibility. That visibility is essential and key to having a thriving business. Trust me, I know. You've got to get out there and get yourself really visible for your ideal client to see you, to actually want to watch your webinar, watch your masterclass, come into your funnel. So beautiful. Can you imagine teaching this? And you have the guide to go with it. So you could teach the masterclass, give them the guide in the replay, or make it the other way around. 5 ways to calm your anxious brain. You have social media. Love that. Canva template, easy to make changes. 5 ways to sneak in healthy foods for kids. This is such a great guide. This would be a great list builder to lead into our kids membership program. Look at this adorable kid. Sneaky greens. We also have a lot of people who work with teenagers. We have a lot of coaches who work with teenagers. I don't think this would be a teenager based, but we'll have to come up with a freebie for teenagers. Then we have the PowerPoint. Aww, look at these kids. You can make any changes, you can change the content. You could, of course, make this a module in your course. We have all the social media that goes with that. Then we have 5 ways to thrive with ADHD. What is ADHD? Learning how to thrive with ADHD. Stick to a routine. Break down the big things. Cut down on distractions. Know your limits. Final thoughts. I love that. Then we have the PowerPoint and the script. You can do this where you have them opt into the freebie, and then on the thank you page you can do the video. Guys, I keep it simple with videos. I have a Logitech 1080p camera. I use Zoom or ScreenFlow to do them, to do my sneak peeks. You can do your videos on Zoom under 40 minutes. You can use the free version, but do them. upload this to YouTube, use it on different social media channels. Yep. Great social media. And then we have our last one. 8 ways to naturally manage IBS. She looks free. And 8 ways to naturally manage your IBS. Intermittent fasting, biofeedback, probiotics, acupuncture, vitamin D intake, prebiotics, herbal remedies. Make sure that they're working with a doctor. Okay, and then the list building bundles. Now, this is really cool, the content recipe bundle, because when I created this, I thought about that person who comes to us and says, I need gluten-free recipes. I need gluten-free, these are gluten-free, whole foods, vegetarian with omnivore options. There are so many of you that have come and said, I'm running a membership. This is a great option. Our membership is a great option. But with this content recipe bundle, this is also great for list building. You have 2 blogs. Blog number 1. Blog number 2. The same images that are created for Pinterest or IG are right here, which could be put on your blogs, which you could share directly to Pinterest with these Pinterest size images. And you could drive people to your blog. You could, on your blog, use the recipe guide as a call to action or a link to discovery call. You could also do the recipe cards on IG for promotion, link people back to the blog. You can use the recipes for your clients, or you can use them for as a list builder. You can see they're really easy to make. Easy recipes, easy to make. And you could sell recipes, you could sell them as a meal plan membership, you could sell recipes, you could use them with your clients. We have 12 months of these. You can buy them individually, or you can buy them whole. You can buy them as one package and save money. But this is one of the 12 months. There's a sneak peek for each of the months, so don't worry. You can go through and check them out. Gluten-free. You can make it dairy-free, because we always say if we do put a cheese, we put a dairy-free option right there as well. But you will see they're all different. You have your blog. Driving people your blog. You could also take the entire recipe guide and do recipe cards on your website, which is great for search engine optimization. And people love them. See, book a free book link. Leading people back to or you can go onto Pinterest, individually upload this so that you're driving people back to your blog, back to the call to action on your blog, which could be a discovery call, it could be a freebie, it could be the recipe guide. You could also buy 3 months of recipes and have like 100 recipe book and use that as a freebie for your list. There's so many ways to use this package. Again, if you have a membership, if you need meal plans, if you need them for your clients, if you're not ready to buy a program but you need recipes for your clients, this is great as well. If you have any questions, please let us know at yourhealthcoachbiz.com regarding any of the content that we have or working with me. You can go to, like I said, yourhealthcoachbiz.com. Drop your message below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Guys, this concludes our summer preview. I hope that you've had an amazing time with me and I look forward to supporting you in your business. All right, it was great to be with you. Bye, guys.